So now we will discuss numericals. Before going to solve numericals, there is only one formula in this chapter. Numericals based on density. So it is the formula to calculate density. D is equal to Zm by Na into A cube. So it is the formula to calculate density of the unit cell. What is D? Density of the unit cell. To calculate density of the unit cell, it is the formula. Only single formula in the entire chapter. So D. What is Z? Number of atoms in unit cell. So number of atoms present in one unit cell. Already you know, if it is space-centered cubic, how many atoms will be there? 4. In body-centered cubic, how many atoms? 2. In simple cubic, 1. So Z value depending on type of unit cell. And the next, Na is fixed. Already you know Na, Avogadro's constant. Na is Avogadro's constant. Its value is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So what is one more quantity in this? A. A is edge length of the unit cell. So in this formula there are 5 quantities. D is equal to Zm Na into A cube. One quantity is density of unit cell. Z number of particles. M molar mass. M is molar mass of metal, crystal, whatever the crystal. M is molar mass. Na is Avogadro's constant. A is edge length. Out of 5 quantities in numerical, they will give 4 quantities and they will ask to calculate other one, 5th quantity. So this one more point you have to remember for solving these numericals about units. Generally, density units gram per centimeter cube. It is the unit, CGS units of density, gram per centimeter cube. Z is number of particles, either 1 or 2 or 4. There are no units, only Z is 1, 2, 4, number only. M is molar mass. Molar mass means gram per mole, or you can write U also, unified mass. If it is sodium, suppose sodium metal given 23U. If it is silver given 108U, unified mass. So it is the molar mass units. Na is no units. A, it is important. Generally, value of that edge length they will give in picometers. If a value is given like this, 4.71 picometers given. So you have to convert this one into centimeters. How to convert? 4.71 picometer means 10 power minus 12 meters. But we want answer in centimeters. 4.71 into 10 to the power of minus 10 centimeters. So this one you have to convert picometers into centimeters. Sometimes they will give this edge length in angstrom units also. If angstrom given, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeters or 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. So if they will give, generally they will give angstrom in angstrom or picometers only edge length. You have to convert that length into centimeters before going to solve numerical. So if edge length is given in picometers or angstrom units, you convert that edge length into centimeters. Edge length into centimeters. And molar mass, Avogadro's number you know, Z number of particles, you have to calculate density. So it is the formula to calculate density. But one more relation you have to remember for solving numericals, that is relation between radius and edge length. Radius and edge length. So it varies from crystal to crystal. FCC means it is the relation. A is equal to 4R by root 2. If it is BCC, A is equal to 4R by root 3. If it is simple cubic, A is equal to 2R. Just you remember this table. Each system in FCC, number of atoms are 4, number of spheres 4, packing efficiency is 74%, relation between edge length and radius is A is equal to 4r by root 2 or 2 root 2 r. Next one is BCC, total number of particles are 2, the packing efficiency is 68%, and A and R relation, A is equal to 4r by root 3. For simple cubic, number of particle is only 1. Packing efficiency is 52.4. A is equal to 2r. Now among these three, which one is more efficient? Which packing is more efficient? FCC is more efficient, that is 74%. Okay, you before solving numericals, you read this formula and you check the units, in which units that numerical quantity is given, and you have to remember the relation between R and A. Now you will see numerical number 1. Okay, right? Now first numerical, so you read the numericals first. Silver crystallizes in FCC lattice. Silver crystallizes in base-centered cubic lattice. If edge length of the cell is given, 4.07 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter, and the density is also given 10.5 gram centimeter power minus 3. Calculate the atomic mass of the silver. Every in chemistry, before solving numerical, just you read 2 times that numerical. So that one, now we will start solution. Again you read, it is given metal is, you write given metal is silver, AZ. Okay, first line. And FCC lattice, it is FCC, given is FCC lattice. FCC lattice means immediately you have to write Z is equal to, for FCC lattice, Z is equal to 4. If it is BCC lattice, you have to write Z is equal to 2. Simple cubic, Z is equal to 1. No, okay. Edge length of this cell, A is equal to given, edge length is given 4.07 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Z given, A given, and you know NA is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. And one more quantity, D given, density also given here in this numerical. Density is 10.5 gram centimeter power minus 3. So in this numerical, silver metal given FCC, so that's why Z is equal to 4. Edge length A is equal to 4.07 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter, and the density also given 10.5. And one more quantity, Avogadro number, you know. So in this numerical, 5 quantities, out of 5 quantities, 1, 2, 3, 4, and what you have to calculate the atomic mass of silver. Then you calculate molar mass of silver, you calculate. M is equal to question mark. What is the formula? D is equal to Z into M by Na, that is Avogadro's constant, into A cube. It is the formula. You have that formula in solid state. It is the formula, unique formula. So in this, you know value of Z, you know the value of Z, and D, Avogadro's number, and A. Which one you have to calculate? M. So among all, you write M on one side, M, you turn all this Z, D into Na, Avogadro's constant, into A cube divided by Z. So that is equal to, what is the value of D? 10.5 gram per centimeter. I told already, you have to write in CJS units. It is better all. It is CJS unit. This is also in CJS units. No problem. Into 10.5 gram per centimeter cube into Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 into A cube. What is A? 4.07 into 10 to the power of minus 8 whole cube, A cube, by Z is 4. That is equal to, here what is the units here? Gram centimeter power minus 3. Centimeter power minus 3 and gram centimeter power minus 3. It is only centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. This one and this one cancelled. Only gram is there. Gram. Okay. 10.5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 and 8 into 10 to the power of 3. 8 into 3 means minus 24. Is this 10 to the power of minus 24? It is 10 to the power of 23. So into 10 to the power of minus 1. Minus 24 plus 23. Minus 1. What is the remaining one? 4.07. 4.07 whole cube by 4. So D NA A cube by Z. So here only 10 powers you cancel first. Now you will see remaining 10.5 into 6.022 into 4.07 into 4.07 into 4.07. 10 power minus 1 means 0.1. 0.1 divided by 4. You calculate this one by using logarithms or calculation, you will get nearly 106.7. 106.7. That is, you can write units U or molar mass, you can write gram per mole also. So it is the one numerical. So all types of numericals like this only. You read the numerical first thoroughly and try to understand which the quantities they given. Generally there are 5 quantities. Out of 5 quantities in the numerical itself you have 2-3 quantities information. And one more in the form of board will be there. FCC, BCC, SCC means Z value. So next one, Avogadro's number, anyway you know the value of Avogadro's number, and FCC and this one. Z value and Avogadro's number, these two already you know. Only it is the numerical between molar mass and density and A. So edge length they will give. Metal they will give. Suppose sodium they given means 23, magnesium means 24, copper means 63.5. Like that you have to write. This M and D you have to calculate. Sometimes they will give D and M, they will ask A. Sometimes they will give D and M, they will ask R. So what is R? Radius of sphere. So again to get R, you have to use the relation between A and R. So it is the numerical one. Next we will go to another numerical 2. Second numerical. Cut it.